Vocabulary list 22 is numbers 20 through 30 plus the sign for age or old, or how to tell how old somebody is. So a good trick for remembering the 20s in ASL is to remember that ASL's main contributor was French Sign Language. And in Europe, people don't count 1, 2, 3 like they do here in America. They count 1, 2, 3. So if you can remember that, that will help you a lot with your 20s in ASL. So we'll start with the sign for 20, which is if you start with an L hand shape and you bring your finger and your thumb together, that's 20. Now, if you want a good way to remember it, you can remember it by signing 2 in, remember, 2 in French Sign Language, 2 and 0, 2, 0. So if the 2 zeros come together often enough, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, it's shortened to that. Okay, 20. 21 is 21, or I've seen it this way too, 21. And if you remember again, 2 and the 1 kind of combined, 2 and 1, 21. Okay, or a 21 gun salute. I've heard that as a good way to remember 21 also. 22 is different because it doesn't relate to any of that European stuff. It's just the number 2, only put your palm forward, and you're going to dip your wrist. 22, 22. So start close to your body and come out. If you're left-handed, you'll start here and move left. If you're right-handed, you start in front of you and move right, okay? 23 is a 3 hand shape, and then you're gonna wiggle your middle finger. 23. And if you remember 2, 3, that's 23. 24 is straight up French 2, 4, 24. 25 is kind of similar to 23, I think, because the middle finger wiggles. So you start with a 5 and you wiggle the middle. 25. And that's, I think, from 2, 5, 2, 5. 25. 26, 27, 28, and 29 are very similar to 24, where it's just L or French 2 and then the other number. Ready? 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 is very easy because it's just 3. Even though you do 3 this way, once you start doing double numbers, your palm will face out. You do 3, 0, 30. It can sometimes, I often see it simplified to, instead of 3 and then you pull up all your fingers to do 0, you can do 3, 0. So your 0 just ends up being done with those 3 fingers, 30. All right, the sign for age or old is like a beard, okay? So you want to grab and pull down, age, old. So that's how you say, how old are you? Or I am this age. To say I am 25, you would say I age or old 25. All right, that's vocabulary list 22.